In my grade 12 year, I was called to the guidance office, and he was like, "Hey Migs, you're my guy." And then next thing I know, he's showing me a lead training custodial program, and then next thing I know I'm doing it. I did a couple months online, and then after I did a co-op, I actually got really into it, and then I was curious how the day program, like the day shift was like. So then I did my high school co-op. So after the online part, I did a couple months here, and then I shortly got hired in September 25th was my hire date, and then yeah, now I'm here. I love it. I definitely say the support is really there, because like, you shouldn't be afraid to ask questions, because you'll never know like if you could mess something up. It's always good to ask questions, and that support was like really helpful throughout my time doing my co-op until now.